The fan cowl and the thrust reverser cowl doors can be opened for maintenance and inspection. Opening of the fan cowl door. Caution: do not attempt to open the fan cowl door if the wind speed is more than 65 knots or when the engine is running. First, unlock the 3 latches on the engine centerline. For each latch, push the latch snap to release the handle. Pull the latch handle until the latch hook releases from its keeper. Manually elevate and support the door at the lower edge. 2 hold-open rods are located inside the fan cowl door. Release the hold-open rods from their brackets and connect them to their supports on the fan case. The 2 hold-open rods must be unlocked to open the fan cowl door. Open the fan cowl door sufficiently to extend the hold-open rods. Manually check the correct engagement of the hold-open rods. Open the second fan cowl door. The other fan cowl door is opened in the same way. Each time, check that the locking devices are properly engaged on the hold-open rods. With the fan cowl door opened, the accessories mounted on the fan case and on the accessory gearbox are accessible. There are 2 opening positions, one at 40 degrees for routine maintenance and the second at 55 degrees for increased access.